Now keep in mind, this will work for all DD15 engines. Right here we're working on a DD15 GHG17, and there's pretty much no difference. We're going to upgrade from the classic line to the new hard style line. So if you have any questions, let me know. As you can see here, we have trails from the coolant line leaking. They just get worse. So in order to take this off, I'm going to make it real easy. First, take out these bolts. 4 on each side. Next thing we're going to do is take off this bolt, and these 2 bolts right here. Then we're going to go ahead and take off this bolt, and undo this clip. And the same thing right there. The same exact clip that you're going to see right there. And then the coolant line is going to come off. So what I do is I get myself a drain pan with a hose, a 3/4 socket, and a ratchet. There's the block drain plug right there. We're going to go ahead and turn this counterclockwise, a couple turns, until it starts leaking out of there. Then I'll put this hose on, and then it'll all go in there, drain the block. So before I put the line on, here is the new style line, and here is the part number in case you need. And remember, this line goes from the oil control module, oil filter module, to the fuel filter module, which is now bypassing. There's no more ports in this newer model, but the older models still have one, to the air compressor. So again, remove these 2 bolts. These 2 bolts. This will come down, and you'll have access to the line. Okay. As you can see, that bracketed down. Now we have access to the line. So then we're going to need a little pick. That's it. Do that right there. Same thing. Let me get the flashlight for you. Same thing right there. You see that clip is up? Then you can just pull it right off. That's it. And with that back one, give me a trusty pry bar. Just go right on the line. Push it into place till you hear that click, and you're good to go. Then you just want to put the bolts back on. You want to put this back up. You want to fill the coolant back up. So we're looking at the brand new line, connected on both sides, everything tightened up. So now we got to fill the coolant. I got myself a coolant pan, I got myself a coolant pump, plug the sucker in, make sure you have some type of ball valve or cutoff so you can control the coolant flow. fill the sucker up, then we'll run the unit hot, make sure everything gets sucked down, and then we'll fill it up again, top it off, and we'll be good. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Warranty pays about 2.8 hours to get that coolant replaced. Coolant drained and filled and steam cleaned. So that's all you get. You better make your time worthwhile. It wasn't that hard to do. The only thing that takes a while is draining the coolant. Draining the coolant, filling the coolant, yeah, you take your time. But everything else is pretty easy. So I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to hit that like button.